Yeah, hello. This is Om Prakash Yadav, faculty at GL Vizas Greater Noida, Mechanical Department. A lot of students are asking that please sir give the solution of this GATE 2017 problem, which is from the heat and mass transfer. Okay, let us see. There are some little bit confusion in the mind of a student, so let us clear it and solve it. Okay, let us come on. So two black surface AB and BC. Two black surface AB and BC. So that figure is given. This is surface AB and this is surface BC. And these two both are black. These both are black. So emissivity epsilon 1 is equal to 1 and its emissivity epsilon 2 is equal to 1. Both are the black. So its emissivity will be 1. Okay. Of length 5 meter and 6 meter. 5 meter and 6 meter respectively. So it is 5 meter and it is 6 meter. So AB is a 5 meter and BC is a 6 meter. Respectively are oriented as so. जैसा कि फिगर में दिया है, both the surface extend infinitely into the third dimension. जिसका अंदर का dimension है that in that dimension that the plate AB and the BC are infinite. Means what? You cannot do the calculation for whole area. If the plate are infinite in the third direction, means calculation cannot be done for the whole area. So you have to do calculation for some specified width. So you have to do the calculation for per meter width of the plate. तो आप अंदर में width कितना लेंगे? 1 meter लेंगे. So you have to take 1 meter width inside या perpendicular to the this board. Okay. Okay. Given that the view factor this f1 to 2 is equal to 0.5. So set factor from 1 to 2. Set factor from 1 to 2. This is surface 1 and this is surface 2. So it is 0.5. From 1 to 2 it is 0.5. T1 is equal to 800 Kelvin, that is written here, and T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin, that is written here, and surrounding, T surrounding is equal to 300 Kelvin. So third body is the surrounding. Let us say this is the third body, so that is surrounding, and its temperature is 300 Kelvin, that is given, and its Boltzmann constant sigma B is equal to 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. That was also given. Unit is watt per meter square, Kelvin to the power 4. Then what he is asking, the heat transfer rate from surface 2, this one from surface 2 to the surrounding environment. So 3 is the surrounding and 2 is the surface 2. He is asking the heat transfer rate from surface 2 to the surrounding. This from surface 2 to the surrounding is what is the net heat transfer rate from the surface 2 to the surrounding that they are asking. Means they are asking net heat transfer rate between the surface 2 and 3. You have given name 3 to the surrounding. So find out the net heat transfer rate between surface 2 and 3. That is your answer. Okay, let us come on. Before going into the calculation, let us calculate the area of these two surface 1 and 2. Cannot be calculated for 3 because that are surrounding. Okay, now let us come on. So what will be the area of this one, that is BC? So you have to take 1 meter width because of length in that direction is infinite and the calculation cannot be done for the infinite. Okay, you cannot take, if the length will be infinite, then how to calculate that area? That area will be infinite. Okay, so that is not possible to do the calculation. So you have to do the calculation for per unit length of the plate, per unit width. Okay, so I am taking width as unity. So what will be area of this plate 1? This length is 6 meter. And inside that the width is 1 meter. So 6 into 1, 6 meter square. Similarly, what will be area of this plate 2? Length is 5 meter and inside width, let us take 1 meter. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5 meter square. 5 meter square, that is A1 and A2 cannot be calculated for a third body because that are surrounding. But also that is not required. Okay. Now let us calculate. So one of the set factors is given in the problem. Okay, that is F1 to 2. You know from 1 to 2. So set factor from 2 to 1 can be calculated from the reciprocity theorem. So let us apply the reciprocity theorem between 1 and 2. So this A1, F1 to 2 is equal to A2, F2 to 1, F2 to 1. So you know this F1 to 2, so you have to calculate F2 to 1. So this F2 to 1 is equal to F1 to 2, F1 to 2, F2 to 1 is equal to F1 to 2 into this A1 divided by A2. Let us put all the values. So F1 to 2 is equal to 0.5, A1 is a 6 and A2 is this 5. So what you are getting, that is 1 by 2, 2, 3, 6. So 3 divided by 5. This is what? 3 divided 5. So this is a 0.6. So safe factor from 2 to 1 is equal to 0.6. So safe factor from 1 to 2 is given. Similarly, so from the reciprocity theorem, you have calculated safe factor from 2 to 1. But you have to calculate net heat transfer rate between 2 and 3. Means you have to calculate the safe factor from 2 to 3. Safe factor from 2 to 3. So let us find out. So let us apply the energy balance on the surface 2. So this F22 plus F221 plus F223, this is equal to 1. Just apply the energy balance for the surface number 2. There are 3 participants. So total energy from 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 2 is equal to 1. So this surface 2 is flat. So nothing will go from 2 and 2. So this is 0. So you have 2 1 plus 2 3 is equal to 1. So what will be F2 to 3 safe factor from 2 to 3? This will be 1 minus F2 to 1, that is a 1 minus, and you have calculated F2 to 1 is equal to 0.6. So let us put it here, 0.6. So safe factor from 2 to 3, I am getting a 0.4. So whatever safe factor is needed for the calculation, I have calculated. So I have calculated F2 to 1 and F2 to 3. This is 0.6 and this is a 0.4. Okay, now come on, what they are asking, the heat transfer rate from surface 2 to the surrounding means he is asking net heat transfer rate between surface 2 and 3. Between surface 2 and 3. He is saying that heat transfer rate from surface 2 to the surrounding, but what is happening? Energy is going from 2 to 3 and also this is the radiation. So simultaneously, radiation is coming from 3 to 2 also. So you have to calculate the net heat transfer rate between 2 and 3, that is a surface 2 and a surrounding. So net heat transfer rate between 2 and 3 you have to calculate, that will be your answer. So this will be equal to A2, then gray body factor Fg 2 to 3, then sigma B, this T2 to the power 4 minus this T3 to the power 4. So you know the A2 sigma B and this temperature is given. So let us calculate this gray body factor Fg 2 to 3. So Fg 2 to 3 is equal to what? This 1 divided by 1 minus epsilon 2 divided by epsilon 2 plus this 1 upon F2 to 3 plus this A2 divided by A3 into 1 minus epsilon 3 divided by epsilon 3. Okay, that is the gray body factor between 2 and 3. So now come on, that two black surface AB and the BC. So this surface AB and the BC are black. So their emissivity epsilon 1 is 1, epsilon 2 is 1. When okay. So epsilon 1 is 1, epsilon 2 is 1. When this epsilon 2 will be 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So this becomes 0. This becomes 0. Now you come on here. Let us think about this term. So this is your surrounding, and you know that surrounding is very large. Means its area is very large, that is tending to infinite. And when this A3 is tending to infinite, that is something upon A3 and A3 is tending to infinite. So this whole term will tend to 0. So area of the third body A3 is tending to infinite, something upon infinite is equal to 0. So this whole term will tend to 0. Okay. Now you come on. So what you are getting from here, that is a gray body factor from 2 to 3 is equal to F2 to 3. F2 to 3, and you know what is F2 to 3? It is 0.4. So net heat transfer between 2 and 3 is equal to what? This A2 F2 to 3 sigma B, this T2 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4. Just you put all the value. So A2 is how much? 5 meter square, and you have taken width as 1. So 5 into F2 to 3, you have calculated this one 0.4. Then sigma B is Stefan Boltzmann constant, that value is given in the problem. So this is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then T2 is equal to 600 to the power 4, and T3, that is 300 to the power 4. So when you solve it, what you will get 1377.8.1 watt. After solving this, you have to get this value. And one thing more, you have to see that you have taken per unit weight. So this calculation is for per meter weight. This calculation is for what? This much watt per meter width of the channel, width of the plate. But he is asking in kilowatt. So there is a little bit of minor error in the question. That should be kilowatt. That should be kilowatt per meter. That should be kilowatt per meter. But they have not told, so that is understood, can be understood. There is no way, only one way, that you have to take 1 meter width and do the calculation. So convert it to the kilowatt, so you will get a 30.7781 kilowatt per meter width of the plate, per meter width of the plate. So that is your answer. Net heat exchange between this surface 2 and the surrounding. That he is asking. Okay, so that is your answer. They have given a range of answer from 13.7 to 13.9 kilowatt. This is the answer key which is given by the IIT. So that was a 13.7 to 13.9, and I am getting this 13.7781 kilowatt. So this is within the range. Okay. Thank you very much.